Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. Here I share simple and effective DIY tips, remedies and routines to help you grow and care for your natural hair. If you are on a journey to healthy, strong and flourishing hair, this is your safe place. Don't forget to like, subscribe and join me as we grow together. Welcome back beauties. In today's video I will be showing you how to effectively moisturize your hair even when it is in a protective style. Yes, this is a tip that has really helped me grow my hair with no stress, and so I decided to share with you my journey or the step-by-step ways I go through in moisturizing my hair when it is in protective style. So I have had this protective style for about 3 weeks now, and I realize my hair looks so dry now and it needs moisture. Okay, so just imagine a situation whereby you don't have water, you are thirsty, you are desperate, you are in confusion, and you are hungry and angry at the same time. And at that particular moment, you receive a shock of your life. If you are not careful, you will pass out. Yes, you will faint. Okay, so because I don't want you to faint and I don't want your hair to also give up on you, you realize that whenever your hair is so dry, you have to moisturize your hair. So in today's video, I'm using my leave-in conditioner, and right now I'm just introducing to you my satin hair bands. Okay, so I'm going to use this to hold up my hair in the process. It is so important to get a satin band and not an elastic band. Okay, so this band help you to prevent breakage on your hair. So now I will just go ahead and divide my hair into two and hold the other part with my satin band. So I am really going to be moisturizing my protective style. My hair is in a twist, and so this is a mini twist that I did 3 weeks ago. My hair looks dry now, and so I am going to be moisturizing it with my leave-in conditioner. Mind you, I added more water to my leave-in conditioner to make it this runny, okay, so that I'll be able to get enough moisture into my hair. This technique helps whenever you are going out or you have so much to do that you will not have the time to be spraying water on your hair or making herbal teas or ayurvedic teas to spray into your hair. I figured out this simple process that it works so much for me, and it helps my hair get so much moisture for about a week. So I quickly put in my leave-in conditioner. I take a section of the hair, a smaller sections, because my hair is already in twist, and you realize that you would need time for this moisture to sink into your hair shaft and your scalp. And also I make sure that I work it through my hair for about 1 minute. Okay, then I follow it up with my hair butter. This is whipped shea butter with some essential oils. Remember, in our last video I made a video on how to make ayurvedic hair butter, but this time around I am using shea butter, whipped shea butter with essential oils, which is very easy to prepare. Okay, So I just make sure that I work it through my hair shaft just to seal in the moisture and also to add more shine to my hair, and then to prevent my ends from becoming weak or so dry. I gently press this butter into my ends. Remember, your ends are the most oldest of your hair, and so you have to take very good care of your hair, because that is what shows that your hair is growing whenever you stretch it up. Immediately apply my hair oil. This hair oil is an Ayurvedic hair oil. That is why I didn't use my Ayurvedic hair butter. You are getting it right? Yes. Too much of everything is bad. So one thing at a time, one product at a time. Okay, so at each point you have to really understand your hair, know what your hair needs, and then you do it. All right, so I make sure I also put this oil on the ends of my hair. You see how gently I'm taking care of my ends? Yes, that is what you need to be doing. Okay, so I make sure I gently press the oil into my hair shaft so that every strand of hair gets an equal amount of product. So I'm just going to make this a chunk of twist and put it down, and then I'll do the same to the other parts of my hair. So this process helps you to retain length. Yes, if you are suffering to retain length, this is the best process that you can follow to retain length, and this helps you to retain more moisture in your hair and avoids breaking, and then it avoids itchy scalp and helps your hair to grow beautifully. Please, if you are not doing this for your hair, then I don't know what you'll be doing. This is a safe tip that you can do for your natural hair, whether you have natural hair or you have relaxer. So I wanted to stretch my hair for you to know that indeed my hair is growing, my hair is getting more length. So I am just going to be repeating this process till I am completely done with all the other sections of my hair. So I don't want to bore you with so much talk. I just want you to relax and then follow the process. Hey guys, so as at this point, if you've not subscribed to my channel, I don't really know what you want again. Please subscribe to my channel so that I will bring you more beautiful tips, more effective tips to help your hair growth journey. Alright, so if you are also new on my channel or you just came across this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on that notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. So guys, this is the basic thing that you can do for your hair. So you can see my hair is feeling so fresh, it's feeling soft as compared to the other side. So this is when I finished moisturizing my hair, and then I did not forget my edges. Okay, I did not forget my edges. I really like applying gels on my edges, so but this time around I really want to stop using gel on my edges. So now I am going to hold my hair up in a bun. Guys, this is the real deal. Okay, after you have moisturized your hair, you have to take care of your ends. This is how you retain length. You don't leave your ends alone. I'm not saying you can't do this once in a while, that you really want to have a good feel about your hair and all that, but most of the time you have to make sure you tuck the ends of your head in. So this is what I do. I mostly tuck the end of my hair just like this. Yes, just like this. to help my hair to retain moisture, okay, at my end, so that it does not break. And if you follow this tip, you are going to see more growth. Also, don't forget to sleep in a bonnet, in a certain bonnet. It is very important. Even when you are sitting on a couch, you have to use your bonnet. If you are going to have a nap in the afternoon, you have to use your bonnet. So do not forget to use a certain bonnet. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. If you give this a try, let me know in the comments how it worked for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Bye.